Hey guys, it's Alicia here again, and today I'm back with another holiday recipe. Today I'm going to be making white chocolate M&M pudding cookies. Now these are so good and so easy to make, and with the red and green M&Ms and the white chocolate chips that are in these, they are perfect for Christmas time. So anyway, let me get started and I will show you what you're going to need. First off, you're going to need 2 1/4 cup flour, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, a 3.4 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding and pie filling, 2 sticks of butter or a cup of butter, 2 eggs, and you want your eggs at room temperature and your butter also at room temperature, 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of baking soda, and then a cup of white chocolate chips and a cup of red and green holiday M&Ms. And that is all you're gonna need to make this. So let me show you what the first step is. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do, preheat your oven at 350 degrees. I'm gonna put in my 2 sticks of butter, and our brown sugar and granulated sugar. And now I'm gonna just mix this up until it is creamy, probably about 2 minutes. Okay, and that looks good. So now I'm going to put in my vanilla and instant pudding. And now I'm gonna just mix this until it is all incorporated together. Okay, that's done mixing. Now I'm gonna put in my eggs and I'm gonna do them one at a time. Okay, now I've got that all mixed up, I'm going to take my dry ingredients and I'm gonna just mix them together real well. Okay, now I'm gonna take the dry ingredients and I'm gonna slowly mix them into my wet ingredients over here. So I'm gonna pour in my white chocolate chips, and then I'm gonna pour in most of my M&Ms. I'm actually gonna save just a few of them aside to put on the tops of the cookies. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this together. Okay, I've got this all mixed up. So now I'm just gonna take a cookie sheet here and I'm just gonna take spoonfuls of the dough and just set them right on here. And you wanna keep them couple inches apart because these are going to spread out once they cook. So just like that, probably 3 in a row. I've got these all done on the cookie sheet. Now what I'm doing is I'm just placing M&Ms on the top just for a little extra color. Now that I got that done, I'm going to stick these in my preheated oven at 350, starting for about 10 minutes. Okay, it was 10 minutes and I took these out and this is what they look like. Now, you don't want these to be browned or anything. You actually kind of want to take them out when they still look almost a little bit undone. So that is what they look like. And I will let them cool and then show you one closer up. Okay, here I have them on a plate. I'll just go ahead and show you kind of what these look like when you break into them. They're super soft, as you can probably see, and they're pretty rich and sweet and just really good. You can see the chocolate inside there. And the pudding is what actually helps make these so soft, and also gives it kind of a different flavor compared to just your traditional like chocolate chip cookie. I think they make a great holiday cookie, like I said, because of the red and green M&Ms, very much Christmassy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.